Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might help you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be looking at on how to create a Yahoo Mail address. So first and foremost, we want to go to the link login.yahoo mail. Then we want to create an account. Once we're here, we want to put in our name, and then I want to put in a password. Once I've put in my password, this is very important, you will need your phone number. After that, you just want to put in your birthday and up to you. It's going to send you a verification code, and once you get that, you will have to basically put in the code. So now I'm going to be looking at my phone and wait for the verification code, which I just received. Now I'm going to put in my code, which is 82102. Once I verify that, my Yahoo Mail should be created as far as I remember. And as it is, my Yahoo email has been created. Now once I press done here, I should be taken to my email, and here I am. So hopefully this video was helpful to you, and if it was, drop a like. And if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as hitting that notification bell. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.